Welcome to Backyard Breeders app. The work plans DFD process number 11 and 12. The DFD process description number 11 is that updating mortality status. Specific task: the game phone keeper will monitor and update the mortality status of the chicks. DFD process number 12. Creating record of available game phone tie cards. Thus, the owner will add the available tie cards for game phone. So, let us proceed to DFD process number 11, which is the game phone keeper will monitor and update the mortality status of chicks. Now, let us log into our helper. So, we need to go to our growing pen inventory. So, if you notice, guys, this is my process 11. We need to update this growing pen inventory, which is stored in the growing pen mortality. So, let us back to our app. So this is now our growing pen inventory. So as you can see, the growing pen. This is the data stored in this growing pen inventory. So we have a number of male chicks 5, number of female chicks is 4. So let's go back, then update it. Then this is the interface of our growing pen mortality. So let us update the date monitor example in 16. This is today. So age is example 6 months. 6 months na yung chicks natin sa growing pen. So this is our number of male chicks 5. So we have here number of male chicks died, so let us say 1. So automatically the number of male chicks left is 4, and let us update the number of female hatch, which is 4. So let us say we have 2. So automatically the number of female chicks left is that 2 only. So double check. So okay, no problem. So save it. New data was added. So successful yung process number 11, which is updating mortality status. So this interface is accessible to our admin, which is our owner. So let us log in. So click natin yung growing pen. Ayun, growing pen mortality inventory. So ito yung growing pen mortality inventory natin. So check natin kung magkapareho ba yung data sa natin ito, sa helper tsaka sa owner ng app natin. So makikita natin dito na tama yung natin yun na input. My growing pen mortality ID 11, 6 months. So okay, there's no problem. Next is the number 12, which is creating record of available game phone tie cards. So this is the task of the owner. So this is now our owner interface. As you can see, game phone owner. So let us add game phone tie card. So ito yung add game file record natin sa coding materials. So proceed. So lagyan natin yung date ngayon, 16, tsaka type code color natin is yellow. Available natin is, let's say, 12 piece. So ito palang type code natin is yung pantali ng manok natin, yung sa paa nila. So dito natin malalaman kung ano ba yung, kasi ito yung by batch na yung anong tawag nito, para malaman ng owner natin kung ano yung nauna at saka susunod na yung tatalian niya para matrace niya agad. So let us save. New data was added. So successful yung pag-i-input ng data natin. So as you can see, game file record inventory. So makikita natin dito yung na-input natin kanina. So ito yung date, tsaka color yellow, available 12, unit of measurement is by piece. So at ito naman ay makikita sa helper natin. So may connection ito sa helper natin. So let us check. Dito yun sa coding materials natin. So makikita natin game file record inventory. So click lang natin to. So ito na yung interface, data pala yung in-input natin kanina sa admin page, which is our owner. So ito yung date, chord color yellow, available 12, unit of measurement is by piece. So ayan guys, so wala akong nakikitang mali sa natin, sa pag track ng progress natin dito sa week 11 task. So that's all for this week, and thank you. So we have here in the DFD process number 13, which is hardening game file. Thus, the owner will collect the fully grown game file from the growing pen and apply the available game file records. So let us log into our admin. So we are here in the growing pen mortality and inventory. We have male chicks alive is 4, so let us update. Then the admin will duplicate this record for 4 times. So update. Wait start is, let us see, description is full.com, age is 6 months and 7 days. So let us save. So this is now our newly added data. So the DFD process number 13 is achieved. Let us proceed to DFD process number 14, which is updating mortality status. Thus, the game file keeper will monitor the game file in the farm and record the mortality status of the game file in the farm. So this record will be updated by our helper. So let us plug in. So this is our recording area inventory. As you can see, the admin newly added data was here. The 6 months and 7 days old chicken. So the helper can update this So date monitor. Let us say we have passed for 6 months. Let us say December. December 14th. And type of count is butterfly. Leg color is yellow. This game form is alike. So double check. So save this file. Your record was added. So this is our newly added data. The 6 months and 7 days on game form. So the DFD process number 14 is achieved. Let us proceed to DFD process number 15, which is replenishing the game file stocks. Thus, the owner will update the available game file that ready to send. So let us back to our admin interface. So let us see recording mortality inventory. So let us try to update this newly added data by our helper. He update this. So update. So as you can see, the information is already intact. So let us only add the price. Let us say 8,500. So choose an image. Choose this picture. So save. New record was added. So this is now our newly added game for product inventory. So our DFD process number 15 is achieved.